Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to use actions in Tableau. So this is one dashboard that I created which has a map chart and a corresponding detail report where I have all the states listed, the segments and the sales and corresponding profit. Okay. Now I want to use actions such that whenever I click on some particular part of this map, then the corresponding action should take place. Okay, so for that you need to click on this dashboard button and then go to actions. Tableau by default provides like 6 actions for now. So one is filter, highlight, go to URL or go to sheet, and then we have change parameters and change set value. So in this video, we'll cover the first four, that are filter, highlight, go to URL and go to sheets. So let's start. So in order to apply action on a particular visual, you can just click on the visual, go to dashboard, go to actions, and then this window will pop up. Here under add action, you can select whatever action you want to apply. So here the first action that I will present is the filter one. Once you click on it, this another tab opens up, and I will give the name of this action as filter only. Source sheet is the one where you want to or basically the worksheet on which you want to apply the action. So here I will apply the action on map, and my target sheet will be this sheet 5, which is nothing but this detail report. Okay. So I have selected the source and target. Now under run action on, so by default again it provides three options: hover, select and menu. So hover is when you hover your cursor on a particular part of this map or basically the source sheet, then the corresponding action will take place. Select is when you click on that particular part, then the action will take place. And menu, when you click on that particular area or the record, then a menu or basically a drop down menu will come up, and there you can go and select uh, the action to take place. So here I will use the select action, and I will check it as single select only, so that I can, once I click only once, then the action should take place. Then another option in target sheet is clearing the selection will. So basically when your action takes place and then you want to clear the selection, or basically you don't want that action to persist uh, in your visual or in your dashboard, then what should happen? So there are three options: keep filter value, show all values, and exclude all values. So keep filter value means even if you will unclick, or basically the second time you will click and that record will be unselected, then is still the action will basically the filtering will still show in the detail report. So for example, if I select California, okay, and then this detail report will filter only for California. Okay, but now again if I click on California, so that action get reset, still you will see in the detail report California will be filtered out and you will not see any other state. But I don't need that. Basically what I need is, once I uncheck the action, then I should show, or basically the detail report should show all the values. So I will select this second option, show all value. Exclude is nothing but if I again click on that particular area, like suppose California, then it will exclude California from the detail report. Okay. So we have completed almost all the steps here for the filter action. Now click OK. Now how it works is, go to the presentation mode. Now if I go to California and click on this 457688, then you can see this detail report filtered only for California state. Now if I again click on it, or basically uncheck it, right, then you will start seeing all the values. So that was basically the use of this another option that I showed you, right? clearing the selection wheel. So since I selected show all values, once I cleared the selection, I saw everything in the detailed report. Okay. So this is first action. Now let's check for the second action, which is highlight option, right? So first I will delete this filter action that I created, and I will create another action for highlight. Here again you have to select the source sheet and the target sheet. So again my source sheet will be map and my target sheet will be sheet 5, which is this detail report. Okay, and run action will again be select. Click OK. Now again go to the presentation mode. Now if I click on California, then you can see it just highlighted the data for California. I didn't filtered out, only it highlighted. So that is the use of highlight action. Now moving on to the next action. First let me delete this highlight action. The third one is go to URL. So basically what it means is, if you click or basically when you click on California, then what will happen if you set some URL. For example, if I want that, okay, whenever I click on California, then uh, Google should open up, right? Just for testing purpose. So what I will do, so I give this URL. You can give any URL, whatever you want. Even you can pass some parameter also in the URL. So I created one video in the past where I showed how to pass parameter in the URL using URL actions. But here for representation, I'm just giving uh, this normal URL for Google. Click OK. Oh, before that, click run action as single select. Now let's go to the presentation mode. Now if I click anywhere on this map, you can see this Google window came up, right? So that is the use of URL action. Now coming back to the last action that I will show in this video, which is nothing but go to sheet. So this is more like a navigation within the dashboard. So for example, let me show you. Source sheet is again map. Target sheet will be within your dashboard. Like suppose if you have multiple tabs in the dashboard, for example I have dashboard 5, dashboard 6, right? If I want to go to the bar chart dashboard, right, which is nothing but this dashboard that I created, right? So basically if I click anywhere on this map, then it should take me to the bar chart tab, right? So uh, that's what we use this particular action for. Again, my run action will be on single select. Click OK. Now go to the presentation mode. Now if I will click anywhere on this map, it will take me to the bar chart tab of my dashboard. So let's click here and you can see it took me to bar chart. So it's more like navigation within the dashboard. So to summarize, again the four actions that we covered in this video. First is filter, where you can create an action where when you click on particular record of a worksheet, then the other sheet or your target sheet will get filtered for only those corresponding data which you selected in your sourced sheet. Okay. Highlight is again, it highlight doesn't filter out, but it's just highlight those records corresponding to your source sheet data. Go to URL. uh, you can set an action when you click on a particular record, or in my case, since I created a map chart, if you click on any particular area, then you can set URLs, or basically any website URL, or even your internal company URL, or you can even open another Tableau dashboard. So you can give that URL in this, and once you click on it, that particular URL will get open. Go to sheet, the fourth option, this is nothing but more like navigation within the dashboard. Okay. So these are the four actions that we covered. Let me know for any questions in the comment section, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.